guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Vibe with Sonia, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing vibes on your table. I know I've been seeing your comments. So please pardon me that this video is coming now. I have a lot of comments whereby people will be like, oh, how do I make more money on Poppo aside just live streaming? I've been seeing all of your comments. I'm so sorry that I've not been able to respond and do that particular video for you guys. And the good part is that why I'm actually doing this video right now is because this particular Poppo is one, it's my highest view right now. Yes, let me just put it there. My highest view video, and I'm so grateful. Thank you so much for watching, subscribing, and the rest of that. So and I feel like, oh, because I'm bringing in my lifestyle, to be very wrong of me if I abandon you guys when you guys are asking me questions. Some person said, oh, teach us how to play games on Poppo. Some persons know that I literally have a second channel, but they don't want to follow that channel. They just want me to be doing all of that tutorial here. But it's fine. I've promised you guys I'm going to be doing all of that games for you guys. But for now, I will just teach you some different ways you can actually make money on Poppo aside your live stream. Okay, so you guys already know that the number one place for you to actually make money on Poppo is for you to go live, just the way this person is actually live. After your live stream, you can see her live here. People are here supporting her and the rest of that. Here she's playing PK and the rest of that. After your live stream, then you go straight to a party tax where you can actually go and get a seat that you can sit. Make sure it's the crown seat. Okay, so let's take for example, I open this party tax. I'm just refreshing for the sake of those ones that are new. All of these persons you're seeing here are performing their tax, but for seat 2, 3, and 4, there are people that are really performing their tax, because these other persons are just sitting here. Probably they just want to just gift each other or support each other, stuff like that. Okay, so let's just leave that side. So coming back to your question, another ways you can actually make money, or different ways you can actually make money on Poppo. The first way I know of is fan club. Yes, if people have not been subscribing to your fan club, please do what, start telling people to subscribe to your fan club, because your fan club can actually give you money. These are people's fan club that have subscribed. You can see them here, and this is my club on the other side. I'm not going to be opening that, okay? Let me keep my secret like that. So for me to be able to renew to this person's fan club, because I subscribe, you usually subscribe to fan club every 30 days. I'll be spending like 2,000 coins, and if I spend that 2,000 coins, this person will have the opportunity to get all of these coins, because I am giving it directly to a fan club. Fan club is just more like donation. Okay, so if you don't have people donating to your fan club, you can just kindly tell people, oh, subscribe to my fan club, subscribe to my fan club. And for the first fan club subscription is going to be 100 coins, then the second fan club subscription is going to be 2,000. Okay, yeah, so fan club is number one. So the second place that you can actually still make money on Poppo aside going live stream and sitting on the crown seat is by playing games. People will be like, are you serious? Yes, I am literally serious. Okay, by playing all of these games, of which all of these games I will try my best in as much as possible. Probably before the end of the week, I'm putting one games for you, how you guys will be playing all of these games. Poppo can actually get you richer with just games. Okay, and you can see lucky wheel, fruit rotil, lucky number, golden flower, ocean hunt, and jump. On my other channel, I've done all of this tutorial of this game, but you guys just want this game to come particularly on this channel, of which I will try my best to be putting it out. Okay, I will try. So once you learn how to play this game, you start playing all of these games. These games can fetch you more than what you can ever imagine. So you can see this is lucky wheels. For lucky wheels, you have to do 1,000 coins for one time, or 10,000 coins for 10 times, depending on which one you want. So fruit rotil and the rest of all of these games, I'll be doing that. So during when I'm playing, I'll be showing you the game. We'll be doing more tutorials about that. So this is another way you can actually still make money on Poppo. Okay, so on that place you can actually still make money on Poppo is by invite. Okay, when I mean invite can get you what you can never imagine. This is 80,000 reward that is being claimed within the last 7 days, because the more the days are going, the more they keep you keep claiming, they keep adding, or if you're not claiming again, they reduce. I don't know if you guys see what I'm trying to say. So this 80,000 now, this is $8. Yeah,
This is $8, and this is basically from people that I invited. I didn't go directly to tell them that, oh, come and join Poppo, you must join Poppo, you must not join Poppo, stuff like that. I basically just do my video and just put it out there. People just go to my link, just as the way you're watching now. If you've not joined Poppo and you want to start making all of these small coins, you can also still go down my link. You will see the Poppo link there. Click on it and register. Perform your first tax to get your 1,000 to get your first dollar, and then you are good to go. So you can see these are people that are high on ranking. These are how much people have been able to make from just inviting people. These persons have made $261, $200, 100 and something dollars, and the rest of that. And that to some persons is really small, but to me this is huge. Okay, since it's actually a side hustle, it's something to really be grateful for. So another thing that people don't really know about is people don't really know about your backpack. Yes, but before you can get a lot from your backpack, it definitely comes from your exchange and the rest of that. I think I'll do a different tutorial of that so that I will not get it mixed up. Okay, so on that place you can actually get again is by opening an agency. Okay, so if you're an agent on your own, as people are coming in to subscribe to your agency right now, you can see that I'm in King Rich's agency. And this King Rich's agency, to every of my withdrawal, he gets to make some percentage out of my withdrawal. Yes, but people will not directly show you that, oh, this person is making this percentage out of your withdrawal. As your coins are dropping daily, or as your coins, as you just multiplying your coins, they just drop like small percentage for him. So agency on Poppo are people that are really making money. Me, I don't want to go into agency right now because I don't have a lot of time to be doing taking care of people. Okay, so for you to be an agent, you need a lot to like give you, because you need to be there to be opening your panel for your people to come and be performing their tasks. You need to be telling them, showing them what to do on Poppo and the rest of that, and of which I'm not ready for that yet, because you guys see that I'm doing YouTube, and aside YouTube I have home to take care of. Like I have a lot of things that is on my head that I'm taking care of right now. So right now I can't really focus on being an agency. But if you have the strength to become an agency, yes, why not? You can just let me know in the comment section. I'll just talk to King Richie for you. He can make you an agency. You will just have to stay in his agency for like a month, or it's not even supposed to be up to a month, and then he can just grant you an agency link for you to just become an agency. Or if you want to become a direct agency without having to like stay under anybody, you can just start creating, getting a fresh Poppo account. Probably if you have an account before, you can use like your sister's face or something like that to get a direct new account. That new account, automatically you are not going to register with anybody's link. You're just going to download Poppo directly and then do the registration directly. Automatically you'll become an agent. Okay, so agency is another thing that gives people a lot. These guys are, I mean, his agency, he have a lot of agencies, so why not? There are a lot of things that you guys are going to get, okay, or gain from agency. So yeah, these are some of the ways I know that you can actually make more money on Poppo and the rest of that. These places of reward are places that you can just go claim, okay, claim your reward. And yes, you can make money here too, because you can see your PK mission is 12,000, for your 2 random PK is 2,000, for your 7 random PK is 5,000. So if you'll be able to like perform all of this mission every day, you are going to be claiming all of these, and all of this joined together, just this PK mission joined together is $2 already. Okay, I've not done mine for today. And then you can see join a party for 2 hours. I've collected one already. I've collected my daily reward of 1,000 already. You can see VIP of 35,000. Then you can see play a game of all of these. They're going to accumulate it for you and then give you. So these are ways you can actually make money from Poppo, and people have been able to like make money on Poppo. So right now this is January, and it's not even up to, it's not up to January ending, because I cash out my coins from Poppo um every January month ending, because I use this to like play contribution. People should not laugh. This is just me being sincere. This is just me being open to you guys. I use this to like play contribution. Right now I have $22. Probably before the end of the month, I'll get up to like 30 or $35. I don't know, depending. I can even get over, depending on how my tax is perform and how much time I get to spend on my live stream. Because when I get to stay on my live stream, people come to support me and the rest of that. So, and try in as much as possible to spend more time on your live stream so that people can actually come and support you. So for this once I withdraw, I'll just use it and pay my contribution for the month. So one thing I advise people is that I don't think you should take Poppo as a salary thing. You can just take people as a side hustle, because this is like a side hustle for me. I do TikTok as well. You guys already know I do YouTube. I do so many other social media platforms, especially live streaming platforms that are actually generating small income from you. Okay, and let me not even say much. I just hope this thing is more helpful to you guys. Please, for disclaimers, make sure you do your research very well. Make sure you know what you're going into before you can just jump into. Don't say because Sonia say or Bible Sonia say, and that's what you're doing. Take over your research. Make sure it's what you really, really love to do. And yeah, we are going to be making it big time. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for staying stick and hook to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yeah, with no further ado, I do like I always said in my videos, I'm going to be simple, and I'll see you guys in my next one. So I'll be giving you guys one, please. I love you. Mwah.